It is time for another proper tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka yours truly, Alex Maloney. And we are live, y'all. We are so live in McKinney, Texas at Ron Davis Custom Homes. And this beautiful property is for sale and listed at $2,999,000. And the address is 2621 Club Lake Trail in McKinney, Texas, at the village of El Dorado. 5 beds, 8 baths. And I always like to split these up because some people are like, 8 baths? What the heck? So it is 5 full baths and 3 half baths. So they used to not count the half baths as a full bath, but now they count it as a full bath. So 5 beds, 3 half baths, which equal 8 baths. And it is 6,338 square feet, 3-car garage, and it is sitting on 0.497 of an acre. And it is zoned to McKinney ISD, Valley Creek Elementary, Fabian Middle, and McKinney High. And there is an HOA, $350 annually. So very cheap compared to a lot of others in this area. And it is on the golf course. So it's overlooking the golf course. It has a balcony upstairs, which we will get to in a little bit. And one of my favorite things about this house, it has that temperature controlled glass wine display that we saw in the beginning. I love that. And it's a modern custom French estate. And as I was saying, this is built by Ron Davis. He has over 20 years of home building experience. He is an award-winning builder, and they've built more than 450 custom homes. And it is him and his wife, Shirley. Great people. Definitely recommend going to their website, filling out an inquiry form to get started on building your dream home. And as always, please tell them Alex Maloney referred you to them. And as always, if you do, shoot me a text or call. Give me a little heads up, and I can touch base with them as well. But they are great luxury builders. And let's get going on this tour. Beautiful, guys. Custom cabinets, open floor plan, gas stove. Love the windows right here. Makes a huge difference when you have good big windows in the house with all this natural light. Puts you in a really good mood. And this is like the pool bath. The pool isn't out there yet, but I'm sure whoever buys this house will most likely put in a pool if their budget allows. And if you do need a pool company, have a great one. Johnson Custom Pools. One of my buddies, growing up, his family owns a pool company. So I definitely recommend reaching out to them. And again, it's Johnson Custom Pools. Tell them I sent you over there, and they will take great care of you. And I'm gonna have you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this home tour as I cue the music. And I'll see y'all on the next one.
place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. Don't tell your friends, we'll let them know we're safe later on. The road's calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me, to run away with me, to run away with me.